Alrighty, so let's go over supplies. You don't need scissors. That's just sitting there. You'll need your magnet, inkjet magnet sheet. I'm using my 8550. I am going to put an adhesive over it just to make sure that it's protected. And then that way I can put it outside. And so I'm going to go ahead and take it and I'm going to print it. I am using my Cricut to go ahead and cut it. The print setting will actually be printable magnetic sheet. Alrighty. So my print did go good. I got to figure out which paper I want to go ahead and use. But one thing I love is my sticker is pretty big. So it's not like, you know, we're going to be really itty bitty. So you can range these into like 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch. I mean, it's up to you how you want to range it. But I'm definitely going to use that. Now, I got to figure out what kind of paper I want to use as far as the adhesive paper. It'll look just like that. That's actually not a bad sheen. Let's see how this one looks. Which I might go something simple like this because I want to be able to be seen. So I'm going to just pull it back. I'm going to have my hand in the back. And this right here, let's close this up. Okay. Let's make it even. Okay. Just going to put it on there. Good night. Like I said, I love how we got a nice sheen on there. So this is how it's going to look. And what's going to be really cool is, like I said, it's nice. I'm just using my sleeve to kind of rub it on there. You can use a squeegee, no big deal. And next thing you're going to do is take it on your Cricut. Now on my screen, like I said, on my Cricut, let's see what I'm going to be using. So they have a setting that says printable magnetic sheet. I'm going to be using that printable magnetic sheet. And so I'm going to take this whole thing through my Cricut. All right, we disconnected. Let's reconnect it. Okay. Alrighty, so we got it all done. We're gonna peel it, and then I'm going to just puncture my finger in to get the little small stuff that's in there. This is how it turned out. So I'm easy and simple, and then you can just turn it back And boom. So I highly recommend y'all go ahead and make a magnet because, oh my goodness, look how big that is. That is nice and detailed, and you're really showing your love for the person that you're rooting for. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all. Bye. Alrighty, so this is a prime example that it does work. So this is a magnet heat press. The top part is magnet. Wow, metal. There we go. And it's on there lock and loaded.